Okay, AccuWeather Meteorologist Tony Laubach continues our team coverage tonight. He joins us now from Lake City, Florida, which is about 50 miles inland from Florida's Nature Coast, or the Big Bend, where preparations are underway ahead of landfall. Tony?
Yeah, well, preparations are taking a back seat right now. You kind of see behind me, we're doing this selfie style here in Lake City because just as our hit was rolling in, so did this storm. And our producer will tell you here over the last several minutes, as I've been kind of waiting to get on air here, some of the loud thunder. You see the lightning behind me, so I'm under the awning here of the hotel. Just kind of broke everything down, so we're kind of doing this freewheeling here, but I want to show you some of the rain behind me. This was coming down a lot harder just moments ago. These are some of the outer bands of the hurricane that I've seen the National Weather Service prompt a tornado watch. We actually have a tornado watch for most of the coast, the Gulf side of Florida, till 6 o'clock in the morning. It's for storms like these that we're going to have some serious concerns with as we go through the overnight hours. This storm, last I checked, was not severe. We have seen some gusts kind of approaching 35 to 40 miles per hour with this heavy rain and, of course, excessive lightning. This actually has a special weather statement where they talk about this having excessive cloud-to-ground lightning, which is why I'm under a shelter right now, not really doing this traditional style here. But we'll take you back. This is looking in the parking lot. You are looking right now to the north. This storm is moving quickly off to the north and east, so a lot of the closer lightning, well, I should have had it turn this way because that one just came down pretty good, but a lot of the closer lightning has started to move a little bit off to our north, but you can hear that thunder coming out of here. This is a very electric storm. Typically when we talk about hurricanes, Kevin, we don't really talk much about the way of lightning. That was a great shot there behind me over my shoulder, but these outer bands, the instability that we've got, you're going to see the lightning, you're going to hear the thunder. It's going to be a noisy night. Again, tornado watch till 6 a.m. That's just one of the many facets of issues that we are going to see with this hurricane. That's going to be the overnight threat, and that's going to keep a lot of us busy overnight even before we start to worry about landfall in the morning, Kevin. So it's going to be a noisy night for us here in Lake City, Florida.
You got it, Tony. Thanks for that report. Stay safe. We appreciate it. The worst is yet to come, but when you have a strong thunderstorm rolling through, that's pretty bad too, and dangerous as well. Tony Laubach reporting for us there, which is that's in an area of North Florida, right about here, about 50 miles inland from Florida's Big Bend. And we just saw on the radar those storms going right through that region. But boy, the main event is yet to come, Michelle.
Kevin, I mean, look, you can even see it in this mode of looking at the storm, that now you're starting to get a defined eye. And with all that thunder and lightning you hear, if we were to throw the lightning on here, that's exactly where you would see a lot of this lightning in the northeastern portion